graph the inequality. I have negative x plus 3y is less than negative 12. So this is a inequality in two variables. So to graph this, we're going to start by graphing the boundary. Now the boundary is going to be the same as the inequality, except for we're going to change that less than to an equal to. This is going to be our boundary. When you graph the boundary, you're either going to graph the boundary with a solid line or with a dashed or dotted line. Now our inequality symbol is a less than symbol. That means that the boundary is not included in our picture, in our solution set. So to indicate that, we draw a dashed line. So we need to graph this line dashed. So I can take my equation and solve for y. So I'll add x on both sides. It's 3y equals x minus 12. Divide by 3, and y equals 1/3 x minus 4. So I have a y-intercept of -4 and a slope of 1/3. So I can plot my y-intercept at -4. I'm going to rise 1 and run 3. And I'm going to draw that line dashed to indicate that the boundary is not part of the set. So the second part of this is that we're going to need to do some shading. We're either going to shade on this side of the line or this side of the line. We have to decide which side is the true side. So to do the shading, we need to pick a test point. And the only rule with a test point is that you need to pick something that's not on your boundary line. So you can pick any point you want. Most people like to pick the origin 0, 0 as the test point. And we're going to take that test point and substitute it into your inequality from the beginning. So we have -0 plus 3 times 0 is less than -12. Simplify this. On the left-hand side, all of that becomes 0. And we look at that statement. 0 is less than -12. That is a false statement. So what that tells me is that that test point is on the false side. The other side of the line is the true side. And we always want to shade on the true side. So my test point of 0, 0 came out false. So the side that the test point is on is false. The other side is true. And we're going to shade that true side. So this picture that we've drawn represents the solutions to this inequality. Every ordered pair in this shaded region will cause our inequality to be true. So the picture represents the solutions. Thank you for checking out my videos. Have a great day.